Hey everybody, I'm Sarah and you're watching Sarah Sweets. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sarah Sweets. Today I wanted to share with you a carrot cake cupcake recipe. These cupcakes are delicious, they're moist, and they're fluffy. You're going to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your cake pan. Let's get started. In a small bowl, I have combined flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Now we're going to set this aside and start on our wet ingredients. Now you are going to combine granulated sugar, brown sugar, and oil. And you're going to mix for about 1 minute. Now you are going to add 2 eggs, and your vanilla. And you are going to mix until combined, which is about 1 minute. Now we are going to add our flour mixture into 2 parts. Your flour inside of your wet ingredients, make sure that your mixture is not a doughy consistency, otherwise your cupcake will be dense. Now we are going to add the essential part of the cupcake, the carrots. So you're going to gently fold your carrots in. Now we are going to fill up our cupcake pan. Now we are going to put this in the oven for at least 18 to 22 minutes, or a toothpick is inserted and comes out with a few crumbs or clean. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of your favorite baking videos. Hit that notification bell so that you can receive updates on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to enjoy your sweets from Sarah's.